Today I show you the 5G settings for your Android phone, and actually there are 4G settings also if you wanted to. Set the mobile data usage limits and see the usage for the apps and other settings for 5G and mobile internet. So my phone here is connected to the internet through the Wi-Fi now, and I could see now the Wi-Fi is connected. Wi-Fi is connected, but also there is the mobile data that is also connected. But because the Wi-Fi is already connected and working, it will not show me here the 5G icon. So to see that, I will disable the Wi-Fi. And now you see the 5G icon. When you see this little icon here, it means the phone is connected through 5G and it's working. It gets internet from the mobile data and not from Wi-Fi. When you're at home, if you have a good Wi-Fi, you don't need to disable the 5G. I have it enabled, but if it happens that the Wi-Fi gets disconnected sometimes, it's better to disable the 5G completely, just in case. So if the Wi-Fi disconnects, then there is no internet on the phone, so it will not use internet from the mobile data. This is if you have a limit. If you have a data plan that has a limit, so your apps don't use the internet from the 5G without you knowing. But you will know if if it's using 5G internet. It has this little icon here on the top. When the Wi-Fi is not working, it's on 5G there. To see the settings, to see more of the settings for the mobile data, you can go to the internet quick settings menu, and then here on this connected to 5G, or it could be off completely actually, you can tap on it. This should show you actually more. So I would enable Wi-Fi, and then you see the see all page, and then you go to the internet page. But if the internet is off, it will not show you that. And I will show you how to get to that page directly from the settings. So now we are on the settings, go into the network and internet, and here you have these different options. You can have the settings for internet first. And there is the Wi-Fi enabled, but now we are connected to 5G. And if I press on the gear icon, I will see here I can disable the mobile data on the SIM card, and I see the usage for this period. The mobile data is enabled. The roaming, I really suggest you have it disabled because roaming is expensive, especially for mobile data. You can set usage limits for the apps below. And for example, for this app here, Firefox, I want to have background data, but I don't want to have unrestricted data usage, because if there's a limit for the data, to slow it down, I want it to work like that, and it shows me here the total usage and whatever apps were included in this usage statistic. Going back further, so that's the usage, the app usage, and then you can have data warning and limit. I really like to set this, so you can have a data warning at I have 5 gigabytes of I have 5 gigabytes of mobile internet. Here it's a bit expensive. There is no unlimited. I mean, there is unlimited for subscription plans. More expensive subscription plans will have unlimited internet, but I have the option with 5 gigabytes. So you can have set data warning, and the data warning you can enter this amount in gigabyte here or higher. The options here are megabyte or gigabyte actually. So that's all. And then the set data limit, you can disable or enable this one, and I have this at 4.9. I put it like this just because I used a bit before I set this limit. I'm not sure if that's going to work well. And then there is the mobile data cycle. The mobile data cycle is the day of the month where this cycle is reset. So it's first of the month. I have it on the 2nd of the month, so it should show somewhere here. It's 1st to 31st January. So this is the usage there, and I'm not sure if that's correct. I think it should be the 2nd actually for me. So let's set it. Let's set it now to the 2nd.